very beginner friendly siya, especially for me na wala ring accounting background. Yung training mismo, nag-enroll ako sa 4-week course, yung with the client acquisition. Okay naman po yung for the first 2 weeks, yung technical training with the QuickBooks. Very beginner friendly siya, especially for me na wala ring accounting background. So ayun, very patient. Thankful ako sa coaches. Like they're very effective sa pagtuturo nila. Super nag-message talaga ako sa kanila nung nagka-client ako kasi sabi ko like nung kausap ko na yung client, at least may confidence ako to answer his concerns na, yes, okay, ganito gagawin natin. We can do like that, we can do like this. So, parang yun, confident akong sumagot sa kanya.